Hello, my name is Christian Durant, and in this video I'm going to be walking you through the Build Your Own Catapult project. We're going to be building catapults so we can launch pom-poms. For this project you're going to need 5 things: a pack of popsicle sticks, a pack of rubber bands, a bottle cap, a glue stick, and tiny pom-poms. So let's begin. Take 5 popsicle sticks and stack them on top of each other. You could also use more than that. I'm going to be using 8 here. So take them and stack them on top of each other like so. Then from your pack of rubber bands, take 2. Take 1 and then tie one end of the stack of popsicle sticks. You can wrap it around like so. Just keep wrapping it around until it's tight. And then you can do the same thing on the other side. Put the rubber band on it and just wrap it around until it's tight. Once you're done, your stack should look like this, tightly connected on both sides. After you have your stack, take another 2 popsicle sticks and put one on the top and one on the bottom, just like this. Grab another 2 rubber bands from your rubber band stack. We're going to tie these 2 popsicle sticks to the stack, and it's going to create a sort of X with the rubber bands. So start with one rubber band and tie it diagonally. There. With one rubber band, it should look like this, a diagonal rubber band like that. And take your second rubber band and tie it diagonally the other way. Once you're done, the rubber bands should create an X like this. These rubber bands in the middle create tension so you can launch the pom-poms, like a catapult. Once you have all of that done like this, push the 2 popsicle sticks to one end so that one end is longer than the other. You can see it's shorter on this side, but longer on this side. Now once you have it like this, we're going to tie another rubber band on this end of the popsicle sticks. Grab your rubber band and keep wrapping it around the 2 popsicle sticks here to make it tight. And that'll create further tension so you can launch your pom-poms. Be careful with how tight you make your rubber bands. If you make them too tight, they're going to break. Now that we have the base for the catapult done, we can glue the bottle cap to the top of the popsicle stick. So take your bottle cap and take your glue and glue the top of the popsicle stick and put the bottle cap on top of it. After you glue the bottle cap on, you're going to have to wait a while for the glue to set so it dries up, and then you'll be ready to launch your pom-poms. Alright, once your glue is dry, you can put your pom-pom in the bottle cap. I suggest you hold your finger on the bottom of the catapult. Once you do that, pull it down and release to launch it. Now you have it, your first catapult. Now that we're done with our first catapult, I encourage you guys to go ahead and experiment with building another catapult. You can try stacking more in the middle, just like we did here. Here's what a 5 stack looks like, and here's what the 8 stack looks like. You can experiment stacking more in the middle or using tension in different ways to make your own catapult. Alright, I hope you guys were able to enjoy this Build Your Own Catapult project, and I'll see you guys in the next video.